Yo, what's happening? Man, it's been a long day. I'm not even gonna get into all that, but I'm gonna try to be upbeat about this. This came in early in the morning. It is currently 1:42 a.m. and I'm just getting around to this. So this will be a first impressions. This will not be a review, an official review. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna check these fragrances out and get my first review, my first impressions of them, and then like in the next few days, I'm gonna wear them during the day and see how they perform and stuff, and give a full assessment of the fragrances. But these came in this morning, and I tried to like smell them through without like spraying them and stuff, but you can't really smell too much. And then I was doing a bunch of automobile stuff today. Like all I really smelled, man, I just been smelling oil all day. So what this is some special stuff right here. I'm pretty sure you see it in the description. But this is Tweed Green Irish Tweed. I've been curious about this, and then I decided to get Tweed Virgin Island Water. I was just gonna get one, but then I was like, I think it was on eBay. They're like maybe 15% off. Then I had like an extra 10% off on the site. Like if you get two of them, it's like you get extra 10% off or something. So it was like a $40, and it ended up being like $30, something like that. But let me not make this too long. But my first impressions. Let me start off with the Tweed Green Irish Tweed. I'm gonna do this on the left hand. So, alright. Very much smells green. Smell like a forest or something, man. Like green Irish Tweed. Like I was thinking of like, what does like Irish smell like? Like you got like Irish Spring and stuff like that. Like I don't know if there's like Irish smell or anything, but like it doesn't have like a sweet smell or anything. Like not sweet, tropical. It smells like the woods, like pine needles and stuff like that. I'm about to say shit. Shit like that. That's my assessment, man. It smells very outsidey. Like not in a negative way or something. I can't wait till I do the full review, because a lot of fragrances and stuff, you smell them the first time and stuff, you get like your initial thoughts and stuff, then it might change on you. I know like Sauvage, when I put that on, I liked it, I loved it at first, but then like an hour later, man, that fragrance like comes out at you. Like, so different fragrances react a different way. Like the first time I put on Tom Ford Tuscan Leather, it smelled like pickles and stuff, and then later on these started to sweeten up and stuff, and I was like, oh, that's why people like that's one of my favorite fragrances now. But let me move on to Tweed Green Irish Tweed. My first initial thoughts of it, I'm like, if I was in Sephora or something and I smelled that, and they were like, "Do you wanna buy a bottle?" I was like, not really. Do you want a sample of that? Do you want a free sample to bring home to you? Probably not. Like, that's my initial thoughts, but hopefully it changes. But now let's move on. Tweed Virgin Island Water. Do this on the right hand. Kind of missed it. He got on there enough. So let's see. Will this be a little better? sweeter, coconut-esque, tropical. You know what it kinda is? I'm not saying it smells exactly like that, but it smells similar to it. Like you have a vehicle. You go to the car wash. You get the little trees and stuff. What is it, like pina colada or coconut or something? I don't know what it is, but like it smells kind of like the trees that hang up in the rear view, like the pina colada. I think it's pina colada, but that is what it kind of smells like. But this has like a I guess it is very accurate with the title, Virgin Island Water, like island. It smells very island-esque. Like this smell like you hanging out in Barbados with Rihanna. Hey, hi Rihanna.
Hi Rihanna.
Shout out to Royce the 5'9".
Bye Rihanna.
It's kind of loud. It's kind of loud at first. I think this one's gonna be better with the dry down, because it's kind of obnoxious at first. It's kind of obnoxious, but it seems like it's dying down a little bit, and I like this one more. I can see myself wearing this more, but this is like, I'm not one to be like winter fragrance, summer fragrance and stuff. This, I would definitely say this is for warmer weather, like spring, summer, because it has tropical vibe to it. This probably colder weather, because this is like Wolverine running around the Canadian forest. And that's what I think of this. But like, as far as for the Creed namesake, my first reactions, are they overhyped? Is it just the Creed name, or are they just, I must say overhyped on initial smells. But I'm not married to that. I will do a full review, and I'm gonna pick one of these to wear tomorrow, and then another one to wear Monday, and I will be testing these out. I'm gonna see the performance. I'm gonna see how it changes. I'm gonna see, does it smell better? Does it smell worse? Does it perform at all? Will it last long? Will it last short? But we will see. I'm going to get into it. But I would say a little bit overhyped. I like the Virgin Island Water a little bit more. But do I love it? I'm like, if I smelled it, I'd be like, do you want a sample of that? I'll take a sample of it. This right here, I'll probably be like, not married to this one. I'm not crazy about that one, but that's my initial thoughts. Stay tuned to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated. Hit the bell and stuff. Get your notifications to see when I come back to these. What will be, I can't think of the word, the verdict. What will be the verdict? I'll let you. Peace out.